Isn't it 3? But then how does that relate to a limit? I'm not sure.
Exactly right. It's 3. You just found your first limit. When we say the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 equals 3, we mean exactly what you observed. As x gets closer and closer to 2, the function values get closer and closer to 3.
That just happened live. 3 agents, one is listening to my reasoning, one is writing on a whiteboard, and one is talking me through it. I built this and I think it's better than any other math tutor that exists. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. Existing AI tools, they just give you the answers. They don't really teach you. They don't really listen to what you're saying, think about your reasoning, and not just give you an answer, but guide you to the answer. That's what an AI tutor should do, and none really do that. So that's why I built this, because I'm trying to learn math as fast as I possibly can. It's a collection of 3 agents. One is the brain, one is the whiteboard, and one is the voice. Each one is dedicated for a specific task, and together they form the most perfect math learning application I've ever seen in my life. And I built all of this with Mule Run. I really love this AI agent platform because it's giving you unlimited credits as part of the beta, which I've been using very much. So thank you, Mule Run, for that. And it's a place where you can run multiple agents in parallel, which is exactly what I did for this. And if we use Mule Run, we can build this. So let's build it together. Let's start with the brain. The brain is a Socratic engine. Now that it's done, we can try it out in the preview browser, and the preview browser shows us that we can talk to the AI and it will respond accordingly, and we can continue talking to it, and it's not just going to give us the answer, it's going to guide us. We're going to save this as a template because there's a bunch of community templates on Mule Run, and I found a lot of fun just looking through them. Let's build the next part, the whiteboard. What's this thing going to show us visually? We could see a preview of the whiteboard right here. It is interactive. We can type in a bunch of equations here. Let's get to the last agent, the voice agent. So we'll go and create a new task, and I will give it the starting prompt: build a voice interaction layer for a Socratic tutor, please. This will be a part of a full suite of agents. And now we can preview the voice agent. Hello, my name is Siraj. And we can see that it has both transcribed my text and responded to my text. So the voice agent is working. Let's combine all 3 together. Please combine all of these files into a simple app, and I want you to run it for me so I can test it out. So now we have the web app. Let's take a look at it. It's called Math Voice. It's got 4 different modes: Teach Me, Practice, Diagnose, and Quick Drill. Teach Me is to just have a normal conversation. Practice is to go over concepts that you already are supposed to know. Diagnose is laser focused on trying to figure out where we need help, and it's going to focus on that. And then Quick Drill is for just flash memorization, concepts, words, things that we should just know by heart. Can you explain derivatives to me? I don't really understand them. I think that I do, but I don't really.
I totally get that feeling. Derivatives can seem tricky at first, but they're actually one of the most beautiful ideas in math. Let me start with a simple question to see what you're thinking. When you hear the word derivative, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
Deriving something, something math related, I'm not really sure. What should I be thinking of?
That's perfectly okay. Let's start fresh. Think of derivatives as measuring how fast something is changing. Like if you're driving a car, your speedometer shows how fast your position is changing. That's actually a derivative. Let's see this idea with a simple example.
So it's the change in distance over the change in time. Am I hearing you correctly? Like, could I see that in a different way, like a different visual format or something?
Yes, exactly. You've got the right idea. Change in distance over change in time is speed, which is a derivative. Let me show you this visually with a graph so you can really see what's happening.
Math is really difficult for humans to learn in general. Our biology is, for some reason, not wired to really understand it so easily, but we should, because it's the source code of the universe. And so anything we can do to hack math learning, we should, because the more we learn math, the more powerful we are, the more capable we'll be in this coming world. I love this. This is definitely the best way I've ever learned math, better than any math tutor out there. And this app is open source, it's free, it's available on my GitHub. Go check it out. All the templates I've open sourced as well. Go check out those templates. They're available on the Mule Run community website. I want you to build your own AI tutor and share it with me in the comments section.